So I was talking about question 5 last time. I didn't really quite get to finish. And basically, question 5 was trying to add a power of 2 to 2 to the 13 and 2 to the 10 so that you get a perfect square. And 2 to the 13 plus 2 to the 10 is already like 9,216. So the squares that are around that vicinity, like 100 squared is 10,000. Actually, 9216 I think is 96 squared. So between 96 squared and 100 squared, they go up by hundreds. Maybe like about 200. So there's only so many squares in that area to try before you realize that 2 to the 10 is not going to work, 2 to the 11 is not going to work. So x is going to be bigger than 12. And when you do realize that, if x is bigger than 2 to the 12, and in particular it's bigger than 2 to the 10, there's going to be a common factor of 2 to the 10 here. Okay, so when you take out 2 to the power of 10, you get 2 cubed plus 1 plus 2 to whatever power is left over. And that's equal to y squared. So this makes it much easier because if you have those small numbers, 2 cubed plus 1 is 9. Okay, and the most basic right triangle will have 9 plus 16 is 25. So if you have y squared is equal to 25 times 2 to the power of 10, then x will equal, so it'll be the x prime in here will be 4 to make that 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So it's actually the actual x is actually 14, okay? So yeah. So it kind of makes you work a little bit harder than you thought you would, but as soon as you do, it ends. And so you have y squared is equal to 2 to the 10 times 25 basically. Okay, so y is equal to 2 to the 5 times 5, and 2 to the 5 is 32. 32 times 5 is 160. Okay.